Welcome back to Ben's Garage. Today we're taking a closer look at the KLARUS CL5 high output micro camp light. A small but mighty piece of kit that's caught my eye. Straight out of the box, it's fairly small. Comes with a set of instructions. And we all know what we're going to do with the instructions. Have a quick look, chuck them away. Oh, there's something else. A USB charging cable. That ain't ever so long. You're going to have it plugged in near the socket. Got a little carabiner, little bracket that has actually got a magnet in it. Ooh. Like a Muppet. Let's try it on an alloy bottle. Nah, that ain't working. Let's try something metal. Woohoo! Fairly strong, that magnet. Ooh la la. We've got a power button and a colour button. You can change the colour of the light. Change the brightness. Change it to red. Flashing red. SOS red. Don't look into the light, kids. Ooh. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. That's red in real life. And then we get a bit of a SOS flash. Now the other button changes the colour temperature of the light. Switch the power on. And it's... Ooh. It's all in kelvins. It's all to do with the kelvins. There we go. Warm, cooler. A bit cooler again. Ice cold. There is one more function on this light. I don't need this function because I can fall asleep pretty much straight away with my head hits the pillow. Hold down the colour temperature button and you get breathing mode. It pulses to the rhythm of your breath. Well, not your actual own breath, but you know, it might help some people fall asleep. Anyway, check the link in the description. It seems to be a good bit of kit. Ideal for camping. And, you know, working under the bonnet of your car. Use the magnet to stick it on stuff. Lovely jubbly. Anyway, catch you in the next video. Bye for now.